Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the mobile hotspot and setting a clear SSID and password. This protects access. Once done, switch on your PC Wi-Fi and scan for the exact SSID to avoid connecting to similar networks. Enter the password carefully and make sure mobile data is enabled so the hotspot actually shares internet. If you want a wired option, plug a USB cable and enable USB tethering on the phone. That gives instant, stable internet and conserves battery. Once connected, configure performance and security settings to keep the link reliable. You should choose 5 GHz for faster throughput if both devices support it, otherwise 4 GHz gives better range. Use WPA2 or WPA3 security so strangers cannot join, and change the password periodically. Make sure your PC network adapter uses the right profile and that power settings won't disable Wi-Fi. Finally, monitor data usage and limit unnecessary background. You finish by verifying a stable connection and addressing common failures. If the PC shows connected but no internet, disconnect and reconnect to refresh the IP. Reboot the phone or the PC if that fails. If Wi-Fi hotspot misbehaves, switch to USB or Bluetooth tethering to isolate the issue. When nothing works, inspect APN settings and confirm your mobile plan allows tethering. As a last resort, reset network settings on the phone, but backup saved Wi-Fi passwords first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.